So hello to everyone. In this video I will change outside temperature sensor on my W210. Here you can see the first readings on it, and I think that it is faulty. Everybody knows that the temperature sensor is located here. This is the driver side, low front bumper insert, plastic insert. It has the hole, and the temperature sensor is inside here. So to remove the sensor you must remove this plastic cover and then remove the switch for the sensor and remove the sensor itself. Excuse me for a dirty car, I just came from my trip and it needs wash, but today we will talk about the sensor. Here it is, guys. I removed the plastic cover. You must be very gently to remove it. It has two teeth, you can see here. Not to crack them, I used some panel remover plastics and screwdrivers and very gently pull it out. So now it is mandatory to remove the switch and make free the whole plastic cover and sensor from the car. Now the cover and sensor is removed. Here you can see that it is dirty as well. Now I'm going to clean it, and also I'm showing you the switch. It has a little tab. You must push it and then pull it out. So guys, now we have the cover and sensor to work, and the first task is to remove this sensor from the cover. You must pull the sensor out, and at that way you must put the new sensor. Here it is. This is original Mercedes part. You can see here the logo and part number, and also it is made by Continental and made in Czech Republic. I don't know which brand is the sensor which is installed on my car. Now we will see it together. So to remove the sensor you must pull it out and screw it anti-clockwise. The sensor I removed was made by VDO and it was made in Germany. Here you can see the old part number which is interchangeable. The part number I showed you on the new sensor, which is made by Continental. Otherwise they are almost same, no differences, and the swapping is very easy. So guys, now I will clean this plastic cover. For cleaning purposes I recommend, and I always use when I work with plastic, this chemical. This is Wirt, a plastic cleaner, and Kia Kunststoff Reiniger on German, and it is good stuff. So guys, I cleaned the cover. Now you can see it is clean, and it looks way better than it was when it was dirty. Now I will wipe it once again to be sure that the water and other materials will not go through the hole where the sensor must be installed, and then I will install the sensor. The installation is very easy. You must screw the sensor to the clockwise, and at that way you must push it in this hole, and it will click inside this hole, and you will be able to see that sensor is installed in its way. Here it is the final result. The sensor is installed, and the cover with new sensor is ready to be mounted on my car. So move the sensor choose the clockwise and push it in this hole. So guys, now I installed the cover with this new sensor on its place. uh, Installation of this cover is very easy, but be gentle not to crack anything and damage anything. You must push it in its place and it will click, and you know that the sensor is installed. And now let's see the readings we have got with new sensor. I think that it may need some time to be calibrated, but the new readings are different, and it reads about half an uh, 5 1.5 degree higher than it was. So guys, this was a little tutorial. I hope you enjoy video and the video was useful for you. If you like, please subscribe, stay tuned, and more videos will come soon. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.